Welcome back, teachers. In the last video we have seen that how we can sign up the faculty, and right now we are going for how to create a class or batches which are available into our offline coaching. Right, so my personal suggestion is that whatever you create a class is same you will create as your offline institute. Right, if you have 3 classes, let's say name is 11A, 11B, 11C, so you just create the same name of the classes so that the student will understand in which class he has signed up during the sign up process, right? So for that, we can add a class. Here is the add button, so click on the add button, and I is a let's say name is a 11 English NEET class. The same class will be in my offline coaching, so I just make the same name, right? You can remark on any of them, right? It's not a issue any of the requirement in the description you have to fill up. Standard, right? You can select the standard and select a faculty. Faculty selection means in most of our coaching institute we have one admin person who handle the particular class, like its exam attendance, everything will be maintained by the faculty. So we just provide the faculty to that class. So this class teacher has most of the rights of that class, like the conduct online exam, verification of the student will also be done by that faculty also, right? When we click on the add, this class is added into particular list. Okay, so this type you can create a class. You can also search student over here. As suppose I put any search over here, so you have to get any of the student from the whole list, right? So this is a class creation. So there is a second mandatory step to create a class, and without creating class, student sign up will be not applicable or may not go further. So first step is a faculty sign up, second step is a class creation, third step is a student sign up. So we will go in the next video for student sign up, right? So we just pause this video and go for the next video.